Here's a simple hack to make your first $100 today, even if you never made any money online before. Now, obviously, the best way to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month is to just build a sustainable online business, but since that obviously takes a lot of time, today we will be only focusing on quick ways to just make your first $100 online, to break the belief that most people have and that prove that you actually can make your first $100 online. So here are 4 things you can do right now to make your first $100 today. The very first one, this is going to be very specific, but you can go to Audible affiliate program, and Audible affiliate program actually allows you to get paid $5 for completely free each time someone signs up for a free trial. And Audible is this company made by Amazon, as you can see, an Amazon company where people can listen to audiobooks. So you can give away audiobooks, and when people sign up from your link, you get paid $5. Well, in order to make $100, you just need 20 people to sign up from your affiliate link. And hear me out, this is $5 per free trial plus another $10 if they actually sign up for the paid membership. But even if you can just give away 20 books today for completely free, you will be paid $100. And the reason I know this works is because some people